Okay guys, this is the homework check video for the worksheet 3-6, problems 1 through 12. Pen's not writing. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit of here. I won't go into a lot of detail. I won't work the whole problems for sure, but we've got 12 problems. They're all Pythagorean theorem. This worksheet had graphs already drawn, so you're just responsible for finding the distance between the points on the coordinate plane. For number one, I didn't really go over this much in the notes yesterday. I did say it several times. This is a horizontal line from -1, -2 to 4, -2. You just count the blocks between the dots, and it's 5 blocks. I mean, there's nothing else to do. Okay. All right, number two. I counted 3 and 5. 3 blocks, 5 blocks. So 3 squared plus 5 squared. That's going to be what? 25 and 9 is 34. And we square rooted that. I believe you got 5.8 is what my book's got. Now look, the directions here sit around to nearest tenths. That's what I'm going to be giving you. Like I said yesterday, I kind of like you rounded to nearest hundredth better, but that's what I've got in my book, so I'm just going to go ahead and write those down. I won't give you all the work on these, but I'll do a few like that. Number 3, I counted 2 and 2, so it's 2 squared plus 2 squared. And that's 4 plus 4, which is 8, and you square root 8. It's not quite 3, it's like 2 point something. So book gives 2.8 as an answer. All right. Number 4, I counted 3 and 3 this time. So we got 3 squared plus 3 squared. And I think that's going to give me 9 and 9 is 18. You square root that. A little more than 4, right? 4.2. Square roots is a place where I like to do a lot of approximating. Your perfect squares, it makes it a lot easier. Number 5, I counted 1 and 5. So 1 squared plus 5 squared. That's 26, which we know the square root of that's a little more than 5, so 5.1 is what the book gives for that. Number 6, I counted a 3 and 2. 3 squared plus 2 squared. Again, that's 9 plus 4, which is 13, and the square root of 13 is only going to be about 3.6 something. All right, the others I'm not going to work out. You had to actually graph it first, graph them correctly on the graph, then count the blocks for the legs, and use Pythagorean theorem, right? So on 7, you should have got around 6.3. On number 8, we should have got 7.2. I don't know, my pen's not doing a good job right. Number 9, should have got 6.4. Number 10, should have got a 1.4. Number 11, exactly 5. That's a 3 squared plus 4 squared. We did one like that yesterday, right? That's your 3, 4, 5 triangle. Y'all should be recognizing that by now. And 12, I'm getting 8.6. It's like what, 49 plus, I guess that's 74. That's what you got. 8.6 was our answer there. All right. Go back in and check over these, correct them if you missed them. Again, if you rounded your answers to the nearest hundred, that's fine. You can count those right as long as you have the same number I got. Okay, you should be able to tell if yours is the same number or not. All right, so homework check video for Tuesday. This is worksheet 3-6, problems 1 through 12.